Hi there, you've already created a contact form, email sign-up form, or any other form with Balbooa Forms Builder. It's time to add it to your site. In this tutorial, we will explore all the available methods of displaying the created form on your Joomla site. Balbooa Forms Builder using a shortcode system to display form on site. Shortcodes provides you maximum flexibility and ability to display created forms anywhere on your Joomla site. Joomla articles, Joomla module positions, and in third-party extensions, Balbooa Forms can be added wherever you need. Okay, let's add form into the Joomla article. From your Joomla dashboard, navigate to Joomla Articles. Open the article in which you need to add a form. In the editor, select CMS Content. From the drop-down, select Forms. In the Open Modal window, select your form. We have added a form, and all we have to do is save our article. Click on the button Save. Now, let's talk about adding form to the Joomla module position. For example, you have created an email sign-up form and need to place it to the footer on all pages of the site. For that, the best solution will be adding form to module position. We need to create a custom HTML module. Navigate to Joomla Dashboard, Content, Site Modules. On the toolbar, click on the button New. Now, using the search bar, search for a custom HTML module. Here it is. Enter title for created module, for example, contact form. Hide module title if it's necessary. I prefer to hide. And now, most important, select module position where you want to display your form. And all we have to do is add our shortcode. CMS Content. From the drop-down, select Forms. In the Open Modal window, select your form. And don't forget to save the created module. Let's move to Gridbox. To display created forms in Joomla Website Builder Gridbox, you need to add a new plugin. From the list of plugins, select Balbooa Forms. In the Open Modal window, select your form. Yes, it's very simple and you will immediately see the result. Okay, and the last one. If you need to display the form in third-party Joomla page builders or any other Joomla extension, just add form a shortcode to the text editor and save the page. Also, you can use Custom HTML Module. Usually, page builders allow you to add Joomla modules to the page. All processes are absolutely the same as we did for displaying the form in Joomla module position, but with one exception, module position. Select None. After that, open your page builder and add a created custom HTML module with a form shortcode inside. That's all. We have explored all available methods of displaying Balbooa form on Joomla site. Display form wherever you need.